Have you ever made kimchi fried rice? Hearty rice and spicy kimchi with sweet peas and zesty lime juice is such an amazing one-pan side dish. And it only takes half an hour to make it. If you like this recipe, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Heat up some toasted sesame oil in your frying pan, then add onion and garlic and a good pinch of salt. Fry that up until the onion starts to turn golden. Then add cooked rice, frozen peas, a little gochujang, some liquid from your jar of kimchi, and a little maple syrup. You can use less gochujang and more maple syrup if you want your rice to be less spicy. Mix that all up, especially making sure that gochujang dissolves. Oops, I forgot the lime juice. What am I even doing? Then spread the rice out flat in the pan and let it cook for a little bit so that some of the rice starts to get crispy on the bottom. Fluff the rice and then remove the pan from the heat. Then add your kimchi to the rice and fold it in. Sometimes kimchi can contain fish or shrimp, so be sure to check your ingredients and avoid those brands. Top it off with green onion, sesame seeds, and some crumbled nori sheet. If you don't have nori sheets, pick up one of those seaweed snacks for kids. It's perfect for this recipe. This rice is just packed with flavor. I can't wait for you to try it. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make this kimchi fried rice. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!